Hi everyone, it's Rishi from Hindipedia again. So today we're going to do an interesting lesson. We're going to learn how to ask people where they're from and how to tell them where you're from. So when you meet someone, like we said, so in the first lesson, we learned to greet people, we asked them how they're doing and what their name is. Today we're going to learn to ask someone where they come from. So if you want to say, where are you from? You say, आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं? Up means you. Kaha means where. Kaha is the key question word in this statement. So you say आप कहाँ से हैं. Se means from. कहाँ से means where from. You where from are. आप कहाँ से हैं. So if someone asks you that, आप कहाँ से हैं, and say, for example, in my case, I'm from India, I would say मैं इंडिया से हूँ. मैं इंडिया से हूँ. The pronoun or the subject followed by the place, say whom. Um, so India, obviously India is the English name for the country. If you want to say it properly in Hindi, then you would call it Bharat or Hindustan. So let's say Hindustan. मैं हिंदुस्तान से हूँ. So let's say if you're from England, you would say मैं इंग्लैंड से हूँ. So आप कहाँ से हैं? मैं भारत से हूँ. मैं हिंदुस्तान से हूँ. आप कहाँ से हैं? Now there's another way of saying this. So for example, if in English the way I can say I'm from India, or I can say I'm Indian. So instead of saying where I am from somewhere, I can say it in terms of my nationality. So if I want to say that in Hindi, I would say मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. Hindustani is the adjective for Hindustan. So let's say if you're from England, you would say मैं अंग्रेज हूँ. Angrez is the Hindi equivalent for English. If you're from America, you would say मैं अमरीकी हूँ. अमरीकी. Amriki is the adjective for America, which is the way you say America in Hindi. So आप कहाँ से हैं? मैं अमेरिका से हूँ. या मैं अमरीकी हूँ. So that's a very basic, simple way of telling people where you're from. Sometimes, if you're in an international setting where you're meeting people from all over the place, perhaps you're traveling, people may ask you specifically about which country you're from. So instead of just saying where are you from, someone might say which country are you from, or you might want to ask them. In that case, you say आप किस देश से हैं? आप किस देश से हैं? किस देश. Kiss means which. देश means country. आप किस देश से हैं? Again, the answers remain the same. So you say मैं हिंदुस्तान से हूँ or मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. किस देश. Those are the key question words in this question. So similarly, if you want to ask people, more specific questions about the location that you come from, you can say which country, which city, which village. So किस देश is country. आप किस शहर से हैं is which city are you from. शहर is city. आप किस शहर से हैं. So for example, I would say मैं बम्बई से हूँ. मैं मुंबई शहर से हूँ. I'm from Mumbai. Or if you're from London, मैं लंदन से हूँ. मैं लंदन शहर से हूँ. If you want to ask which village are you from, you would say आप किस गांव से हैं. आप किस गांव से हैं. गांव in Hindi means village. So that's a very simple lesson introducing you to asking people about their place of origin, where they come from, whether it's their country, their native state, their city. In I've kept it simple this time, just to sort of introduce you to the key words. Kaha, which means where. Kis, which means which. And desh and sheher, which means country and city respectively. Now I've got some detailed lecture notes for this particular video, which my girlfriend Louise has put together very nicely. So I would request you to go to hindipedia.com and look out for the notes for lesson 5, and you will see in detail that we've explained very nicely all these words. You will see the spelling, you will see their English, Hindi English phonetic spelling, so you know how to pronounce it. You've heard me say those words, so now you can see how they're spelled, and that will help you pronounce them even better. And at the end of the lesson, there are a few sentences which we've put down as an exercise. So we want you to come out and leave a comment answering those questions in Hindi, and also leave a comment and tell us आप कहाँ से हैं, where are you from, आप किस देश से हैं, आप किस शहर से हैं. So please go to hindipedia.com, leave a comment saying where you're from, which country you're from, which city you're from, and if you don't know how to say your particular country or city, you can say it in English, and if there is a separate Hindi equivalent, we'll help you say that. We'll tell you the answer how to say it. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is lesson number 5, asking people where they're from. This is Rishi. I'll be back with some more interesting lessons. So don't forget to check out the lesson notes on hindipedia.com. Thanks for watching.